How to kill termites outdoors. Termites dwell in damp rotted wood such as rotting fences or dead tree bark. They can make their way into your home and cause major damage to its structure. It is important to make sure that termites do not colonize outside so they cannot make their way into the home. Things you will need. Premise 2 soil treatment. Boracare wood treatment. Home-wise bait stations. Determine the infested area of termites. Look for damp rotting wood or a decayed tree stump. Check to see if there are at least a handful of termites to know that is where they are colonizing. Spray liquid pesticides such as Boracare on the rotted wood, around and on the infected area. The spray will either kill the termites immediately or prevent them from moving to another area outside and eventually killing them. Treat the soil near the termite-infected area outside. This is an additional treatment to prevent the termites from going anywhere else through the soil. Use such treatment as premise 2 a few feet around the area that was infected. Place bait stations such as home-wise around the termite-infected area. If you choose not to use the previous 2 steps, you can use the bait stations that are a little more expensive. Dig holes around the infected area. The holes should be at least 6 inches deep in the soil. Place a bait station inside each hole and cover it with soil. Keep the rim of the top visible so you will know where you place them and can easily pull them out. The bait stations should be checked monthly and could take up to 8 months before activity occurs, but the bait stations are one of the most effective ways of killing the termites. Tips. Warnings. Remove any rotting wood to prevent other termites from infesting outside.